Okay, today's shopping is Target. And I need a broom. No, I need a mop, not a broom. And so far, I only found these. Let's see what else we can find for today. Mops in here. Okay. Continue the spring cleaning with those little commander strips. They work really good. Need to get another one. I need detergent. This something. I need a shampoo out. I need wax though. I wonder how it smells and tastes. Looks cute though. It's the vitamin C. It's brightening toner. This one. I like this one too. In the plant section now, these are cute. Nicely planted. Yes. Ooh, it's heavy. Little table's cute. Yeah, that's really cute. Yeah. I like these big plants. I always wanted one inside my house, but it was like, I'm not a decorator, so I don't know how to put things together. But these are cute. I like the way they got it set up. I'll figure it out. Yeah, these are cute. Like it. Here's some more whole. They got a nice setup going on over here. Ooh. It's giving homes and home goods. In these areas over here. You see how they got it set up? That's cute though. Little napkins. Oh, look at the little honey bowls. Yeah, that's cute. That's cute. Oh, look at these. What are those little books? It's cute. Yeah, I like that. Little sailboat. Yeah, that's cute. Surrounding bowls. Yeah, these are cute too. The little pot holders. What are these? Yep, pot holders. $8.99. What's in here? Don't open. Tablecloths. Oh, yeah. It's home goods, home goods. Those are cute. Little Dutch ovens. These are cute. Oh, it's heavy. Okay. These candles are cute too. Most of them are heavy. Yeah, these are cute. Ah, there we go. Get that one instead. Remember to flush. Okay, y'all. I have to get stuff for the bathroom, which I need a new toilet seat, and here we are, toilet seats. Which one do I need for my toilet though? Okay, they don't have the one that I need, so this one looks like it though. This junk is heavy. Yeah, it's an E. Yep, I need that. And then I don't know if I need a shower head or not. Definitely need towels. I don't know what color that I want to go with. So far it's just these ones here. What size are these? Oh, oversized. Wait a minute. Let's grab that one. This one's also a 33. And this one. Okay, y'all. Let's keep going. What is that? Oh, the thing for the shower caddy. The shower caddy here. Ooh. I like this. This one has a mirror on it. Should I get this one? Or this one? I think I want that one because it got a mirror on it. I don't know. as the other ones. This one has a mirror, so I'm gonna go with this one. Let's keep going. Alright, what else is over here? Nothing. This for the toilet paper holder. I don't think I need that. Nah. And what's over here? There's some candles. Wonder how they smell though. Yikes. Crackling wood wick. No. Let's look at these here. Ooh. For my room. I don't know that I want that. I had to carry all this stuff in my house. Oof. Yikes. Spring cleaning is something else. When you gotta do spring cleaning, yikes. Gotta get a whole bunch of stuff. Alright, ooh, wait, something I didn't even see when I came around here. Look at this. This is a whole mirror by itself. Should just get that. Strong hold and suction. Nah. Organizers. Let's keep going. What is this? Leave it in there. The other towels. I got two already that I needed. Those two colors. Let's see. Shower curtains. That one's cute. I like that. Ooh, that one's cuter. And that one's cute too. Ooh. Okay then, Target. Do your thing. Yeah, those are cute. I need one of these here, but I don't know what ones to get. I like these. It's cute. It goes with just about anything. Boom, boom, boom. Let's see. It's the vinyl ones. These are cute too. Black ones. That's really nice. I don't know which one to get. Okay, we're gonna come back. If anything, it'll be one of these things here. I can put the names on them. Let's keep going. Like they doing something to the floors and stuff. Some more towels. Yeah, I don't like these colors. They're like dark. I need something bright. Cute and bright. Yeah, no, I don't like these. Not right now. Oh, those are cute. Spring colors. I need a body pillow. And this one is the memory foam. Ooh, feels good. Body pillow covers. I didn't know they had covers for them. Okay. That's cool. This one's that are out. Oh, this one's too soft. Too soft. I don't know.